Hi everybody. So if you don't know who Lanevids is, you should totally go subscribe to his channel. His theory was,
let's see who's gonna honk cause they drive a Ford.
woo! If you don't own a Ford, why not see how many people do? How much loving did we get back? Let's find out. Woo! I give you drive a Ford!
Fiesta! Ford! I'll give you drive a Ford! Woo!
Yeah! Look at that face of determination.
Hey, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that's what's up. If you didn't, subscribe for more.